Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my voice, please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna make some peach pie smoothie. And let's jump right into it, guys. Here's my ingredients. This is 1 cup of peach. I'll be using ginger, yogurt, milk. I'll be using almond milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and some honey to taste. And here I have 1 cup of peach frozen. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of almond milk. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, just a pinch of nutmeg. You need 1/2 cup of yogurt, non-fat yogurt. Guys, just a pinch of ginger powder, and I'm using fresh ginger. I love the fresh ginger in it. And some honey to taste, maybe a tablespoon of honey. And I'll see you when I'm finished blending. Okay, now guys, here's your delicious peach pie smoothie. This is very delicious. And I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.